Different projects. We've not been about us. We need access to youth funds. We need access to youth funds. We've not given any funds. How can we get these funds? How can we get these funds? We've been several offices. We've not been given a chance. We've been just away all time, all day. To each and every ministry. We need compassion. Our fellow. We want to say come. Our fellow. We want to say come and join democracy. The high rates of corruption, the high rates of unemployment among youth. We've not received any funds. They talk about the youth funds. We've not received any youth funds. We need the youth funds. They should tell us a clear way of getting these funds. They should come forgotten youth. Let them receive. We need these funds. They talk about the funds. They talk about the youth leader. It's natural a youth. NRM and Museveni, they have a fair way of rewarding. It's not the rules. We need democracy. It's not the youth. There is unemployment.
We need one day. For us, we are ready.
We are NRM forgotten youth, and we need compensation. We are bringing peace. We are NRM forgotten youth. We need compensation. The public. We can't. We work for NRM. We need compensation. We can't wait. We are NRM forgotten youth. Yeah, we have been like all these issues. Unemployment. We need compensation. We've worked from 7 and we need compensation. There is unemployment. There is no democracy. How can we access the youth funds? You say corruption. How has corruption been fought? And forgotten youth. We are NRM forgotten youth. And at least what we need compensation. We need jobs. We need democracy. We've not been given attention. We've been to different ministries. We've not been given attention. And the problem, at least we have to work for this issue. Naked lies.
This is Kingdom TV.